Pretty people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, then hi, my name is Ilma Iqbal Shamsi and I do post fashion and makeup related content onto my YouTube channel. So from the title and the thumbnail of this video, you guys must have knew that what the video is going to be. This video is going to be a challenge, which is one dip makeup challenge, and this challenge is going to be really very interesting. Like, if you don't know what is this challenge, let me tell you that in this challenge I have to take only a one dip of the makeup. You can say one dip, one pump, or a one swatch makeup challenge. So quantity which we get on the applicator by just dipping it once in the product, we have to do the whole makeup with that quantity only. So write down in the comment section if I have won this challenge or lose this challenge, because I did my best in this makeup video. This challenge is going to be the very first challenge on my YouTube channel. So if you guys loved it, just write down in the comment section anybody of you want any kind of a tutorial, or DM me to my Instagram handle, which I will mention somewhere on the screen. So without wasting any more time, let's get in this video. Starting with the toner, I am here having a Good Vibes Rose Hip Skin Clarifying Toner, and just I have to take only one pump of it. I will press this as long as I can. So next product I will be taking this Good Vibes Almond Skin Brightening Facial Oil to get a more bright skin in this look. So just one dip of it. I got a lot of amount of it, right? Can you see this? Just this is such a good facial oil. Like, I love this smell and the way it blends. Next I am having this Be Blushed Skin Hydrating Primer, and it is almost out of the quantity, but this is I am having, and this is the only primer that I am having with a pump over it. So let's see how much I can get it. This amount, and this is enough for me. I had already applied the moisturizer, before making the video, because the moisturizer is my 24/7 friend, and applying the primer on the T-zones of my face to avoid any kind of a pimple and harmful products that are present in the makeup cosmetics. Like, I'm done with the primer. So to do this challenge in this video, I'm trying to take the products having pump over it. So for the foundation, I'll be taking this Malio Color Match Base Makeup Foundation. So taking out just one dip, and let's see. I will make it a long press. This is, I guess this is enough quantity. I can do this. Spotting all over my face. I have blended the foundation with the help of a beauty blender. So I am done with the foundation. For the concealer, I'll be taking this NY Bay HD Spotless Concealer in the shade 1, and now just taking out only one dip. of it. That's it. I have to use like this. And I know I am looking funny right now. I had a good quality concealer which is almost helping me to win this challenge. I have changed the color of my ring light because I'm feeling more comfortable with this sunlight golden color, and I have concealed my area with this sponge beauty blender. To pack up my concealer, I am here taking Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiant Skin Lightening Compact, and which is absolutely broken. Just taking one tip of it. I am doing no cheating here. That's all about it. So, to get a creaseless base, loose powder or any compact is must to apply after the foundation. This makes the look more matte finish. Gives a flawless base without any creases. Just ignoring my frizzy hairs today because it is compulsory for every girl to have her hair frizzy whenever she has to make her photo shoot, video shoot, or have a function or a party. This is compulsory for every girl. Write down in the comment section if you are having a good happy hairs day or a frizzy hair like me. Moving towards the eyeshadow, I'll be here taking my transition shade as so moving towards the eyeshadow, I will do this challenge more wisely. I am not going to do any dramatic makeup and just going with a natural, easy, simple look which I can get with a one dip challenge, and I just want to win this challenge. So I am taking this SFR color eyeshadow palette and taking the shade Dream and taking as much as I can get. This shade I will be using as my transition shade in this color. So just putting a lesser amount, just putting some amount here and similarly here. I'm taking here in my Babe Blinking eyeshadow palette in the shade Woolworth 18 and just swatching only once as much as I can take this product. So applying on the inner eyelids of my eyes and let's see what is the result. A little bit here. That's it. Blending both of the shades within it. This eyeshadow is looking more prettier in the mirror than the camera. Just blending both of the colors within it. So on my I'll be taking this Trian eyeshadow palette, and this is actually a highlighter palette, and I'll be taking this darker shade as my bronzer and this nude wine shade as my highlighter. So taking out only I'm just obeying this one dip makeup challenge. That's it only. I'll be here taking this highlighting shade and just I will take more amount because I like more highlighter. This is so tough to highlight each and every point with a single So as I know I am smart enough, I am not even dare to take the eyeliner in this one dip makeup challenge because I know very well that I am gonna lose when I will take the eyeliner. So I am going with the mascara. Here I am having this Lakme 9 to 5 mascara. Just taking out a single dip of it. That's it. Let's see. I'm done with the mascara. So I am done with the lipstick. I cannot describe the efforts which I have done to bring out this desired lip color. So I mixed up two lipsticks and then I got this. I had not done any cheating while shooting this one dip makeup challenge. So if you guys enjoy this video, do press the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.